Coupons applicable to. Go to either site or course. On the left hand side, scroll down to coupons, and this is Zenler's coupon area. Inside Zenler, you can actually create the coupon for one course or multiple courses or all of the courses. So when this coupon is used, it can be used for a specific course and not for other courses, or it could be used for multiple courses and not other courses, or it could be used for them all. This is all based upon the discount type and discounts that you've used. So for instance, this discount type is percentage, and the percentage is 50% off. So now in the applicable field, we can choose all products, all courses, all live webinars, or specific products. Let's choose specific products. So now with specific products, I can actually pick or select the products from here. You'll see the products have come out. Not only that, is you can set it for each price plan. If you have multiple price plans inside a course, you can actually pick the price plan you want that coupon to be applicable to. Also, if I pick all products, it can be applicable to all of the products. Now please note that if you have this applicable to all products and you use amount, there could be a problem because some of the amounts might be, the discount might be cheaper or more expensive than the course. So be careful when you use this. This is the applicable to coupon system inside Zenler.